Hello and welcome to Career Compass. Today, I'm diving deep into a topic that affects countless professionals: why people can't get promoted in companies. Whether you're feeling stuck in your current role or simply seeking to understand the dynamics behind career advancement, this discussion is for you. Imagine working hard for years, putting in extra hours, and consistently delivering impressive results, yet that long-awaited promotion remains just out of reach. You're not alone. Recent studies indicate that nearly 65% of professionals have experienced a career plateau at some point. So, what exactly is holding many back? Let's begin by looking at some key statistics and evidence. A report from the World Economic Forum in 2022 revealed that about 54% of employees believe a lack of soft skills, such as effective communication, leadership, and adaptability, is the primary barrier to promotion. While technical skills are important, it's clear that higher roles demand emotional intelligence and strategic insight. Another significant factor is bias and discrimination. A McKinsey study from 2021 found that women and underrepresented minorities are 33% less likely to be promoted compared to their peers. These statistics underscore how implicit biases and systemic issues within company cultures can hinder career progression. Networking and visibility also play a crucial role. According to a LinkedIn survey conducted in early 2023, 70% of professionals felt that not having the right networking and mentorship opportunities significantly hindered their promotion prospects. It's not just about what you know, it's also about who knows you and recognizes your contributions. Additionally, company culture and managerial practices matter. Research from Gallup shows that in workplaces with low employee engagement, the turnover rate can be as much as 87% higher, and promotions are less likely to be awarded. When managers are disengaged, they're simply not in a position to advocate effectively for their team members' growth. These numbers are not just statistics. They represent real challenges that many face on their journey up the corporate ladder. So, what exactly is preventing well-deserved promotions? There are several common pitfalls and habits that often come into play. Many talented individuals struggle with self-advocacy. Research indicates that professionals who actively share their achievements are 42% more likely to be considered for leadership roles. Another challenge is an over-reliance on technical skills. Being technically proficient is important, but companies today increasingly value soft skills like emotional intelligence and strategic thinking. A Harvard Business Review article noted that leaders who balance technical and soft skills tend to see a 25% boost in team performance and overall engagement. Networking deficiencies can also hold you back. Even if your work is excellent, if decision makers never get to see it, your efforts might go unnoticed. Studies have shown that employees who invest time in building internal networks can see up to a 50% improvement in career advancement opportunities. Finally, navigating organizational politics is critical. Understanding the dynamics of office politics, building alliances, and working effectively across different departments can make the difference between being overlooked and being recognized as potential leadership. Now here's the encouraging part. Knowing these barriers is the first step toward overcoming them. Let me share some actionable strategies. First, invest in your soft skills. Enrolling in leadership development or public speaking courses can be a game changer. Companies like Google have internal programs that have demonstrated how boosting these skills can improve promotion likelihood by as much as 30%. Next, build your network intentionally. Establish relationships with mentors and sponsors within your organization. Evidence shows that employees engaged in mentorship programs can experience promotion rates that are more than 35% higher. It's also important to be your own advocate. Document and share your successes with your manager. Research from the Association for Talent Development reveals that professionals who regularly discuss their career goals are 40% more likely to be promoted. Lastly, understand your company's culture. Aligning your approach with your organization's values and priorities isn't just about fitting in. It's about positioning yourself strategically for advancement. Consider the real-life example of Sarah, a talented engineer who excelled in her technical skills but was stuck in her role. After a candid conversation with her mentor and actively working to build her soft skills and increase her visibility, Sarah was promoted within just 6 months. Her story is a powerful reminder that acknowledging and addressing these challenges can truly change your career trajectory. In conclusion, while many hurdles can stand in the way of career advancement, none are insurmountable. Whether it's investing in soft skills, enhancing your networking efforts, or mastering the nuances of office politics, each proactive step brings you closer to that next promotion. Thank you for joining me on Career Compass. I hope you find these insights valuable and empowering. Remember, your career is a journey filled with challenges and opportunities. Keep striving, keep learning, and keep pushing for that next step up the ladder.